my ceiling fan. My homemade ceiling fan. It's an 18-inch fan, and it uses 3 volts power. I'm not sure. Can't see. The blades are made out of cardboard type, and it uses a pulley to mount itself on the hanger. You can see, showing you can easily take it off. Anyway, some Gigo pieces from Gigo wind turbine set. And I use tape to mount it on the drawer. Anyway, like this fan. Okay. The plug is the switch. It's only one speed. This part is off. Doesn't blow much air though. I wish I could find a better motor. It has a slight wobble to it. But that's okay. It isn't too bad. The clicking sound is from the tape. We're here. The tape is hitting the tape on the motor, so it makes the clicking sound. You can see the wiring connections are exposed, but it's perfectly safe. You can see I'm not getting electrocuted. It only uses 3 volts of power. It's an energy saver. It's an energy saving device. I think it's also a money saving device because you need to pay for the electricity, right? Let's turn it off. You can see the spin down time.